What? Get the ad off the screen? That always happens right when I record. My mom was watching Courage the Cowardly Dog. I was currently watching it too, but gotta work on this. Cause I know y'all want it, okay? Prom Queen, let's go. This is Drizzy, by the way. Y'all will see who Drizzy is in a second. Maybe I don't need the... It's basically just a triangle with the... just the round edges, dude.
Watch where you're going, you fool!
Shorty make that booty clap, put that butt into my...
Crank that, soldier.
Hola, buenas. Mire, soy su vecina. Lo llamo porque su perro la...
Aw. No! My neck itch. Stung badly.
Cause pretty girls can never.
Anyway. Yeah, that's the average. That's me trying to focus on something.